Welcome back to 3 O'Clock Rock, and we're working on Smells Like Nirvana. And we eventually want to have this drum beat where it's like this. But we're going to slow it down a little bit, and we're going to make some cool exercises out of it, especially for just learning how to play. So we're going to break it up into hi-hat parts. So we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, cool. Let's hold the camera real steady so that way our viewers can also not get too dizzy. So the next exercise I'd like to do is let's do the main drum beat between the kick drum and the snare drum. And we have 2 bar measures of this drum beat, and the first bar measure is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and the second bar measure is the same. So we're going to do it together, both back to back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So those are the 2 bar measures. And to be more creative, let's add in just that hi-hat on the last beat, the last 8th note, which is the 4 and we're going to do this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And... Alright, say you want to get all of the hi-hat beats together and you want to do all the 8th notes. So I would slow it down a little bit more, and I would play, you can play cross-arm or open-handed, which is left hand on the hi-hat, and I'll do open-handed for all the lefties out there. Here we go. So we're going to do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and there you have it. Good luck.